Okay, I want to know your response if someone asks you maqaan kee eenyu?
Maqaan kiyya Yusuf.
Okay, umriin kee meeqa?
Jedhama.
Maqaan kiyya Yusuf jedhama, you're right. Umriin kee meeqa? What's your response?
Parasari.
Tell me the full statement. Umriin kiyya?
Umriin kiyya kurasari. Kurasadaf.
Waggaa. Okay.
Waggaa kuras.
Umriin kiyya waggaa 13.
Umriin kiyya waggaa kurasadi.
Kutaa meeqa baratta?
Ani kutaa
Kutaa
kutaa siddeet. Kutaa siddeet.
kutaa 8? Kutaa 8 baradhaa jedhe.
Kutaa siddeet hin barataa. Kutaa siddeet hin barataa.
Kutaa 8 baradhaa.
Kutaa siddeet hin baradhaa.
Ayyaa ta'u. Ara mata dureen keenya mata duree yoom jedhu kana yoom. Now you have to listen and then you have to read in the same exact way I'm reading right now. Okay.
Okay.
Ilaal ka duraa kun amma yoom jedha. Yoom.
Yoom.
Kun ammoo yoom barreessita. Yoom barreessita.
Yoom barreessita.
Yoom taphatta.
Yoom taphatta.
Yoom fiigda.
Yoom fiigda.
Yoom deemta.
Yoom deemta.
Yoom rafta.
Yoom rafta.
Yoom dhufta.
Yoom dhufta.
Yoom nyaatta.
Yoom nyaatta.
Yoom dubbista.
Yoom dubbista.
Yoom baratta.
Yoom baratta.
Yoom imalta.
Yoom imalta.
Now you have to read once, then you have to give the corresponding English translation.
Ayya. Yoom.
Yoom means
Yoom.
what?
When.
Okay, dubbisi dura afaan Oromootiin yoom.
Yoom. Yoom barreessita. Yoom taphata. Yoom
Yoom
fiigda.
taphatta. You have to make a
Yoom
little stress
taphata.
on ta.
Yoom taphata.
Yoom taphatta.
Yoom taphata.
Okay.
Yoom fiigda.
Uh,
Yoom deemta.
okay.
Yoom rafta.
Ayya.
Yoom dhufta. Yoom nyaata.
Yoom
Yoom
nyaatta. Taa jabeessi.
Yoom dubbista. Yoom dubbista.
Yoom dubbista. Right.
Yoom barata.
Yoom baratta.
Yoom imalta.
Right.
Yoom barata. Yoom imalta.
Yoom means
Yoom means when.
when. Okay. Yoom barreessita. When do you
When do
what?
you write? When do you write?
When do you write? Okay. What about yoom
Yeah.
taphatta? When do you?
Yoom taphatta. When do you play?
Right. When do you play? Yoom fiigda? When do you?
When run?
When do you run? Okay. What about yoom deemta?
When are you going?
When do you go? Okay. Yoom rafta?
When are you sleeping?
When do you sleep? Yoom dhufta? When do you?
When do you come? When are you coming?
Okay. Yoom nyaatta?
When are you eating?
Okay. When do you eat? Yeah. Okay. Yoom dubbista?
When are you gonna talk?
Dubbista. It is to read something written. Okay.
When are you gonna read?
Yeah. Yoom baratta? When do you?
Yoom barata. When do you learn?
All right. Yoom imalta?
Yoom imalta.
When do you?
Imali. Imalta ma.
Imalta means when do you travel? When did you
when do you
travel?
okay.
Okay, now let us come to the second slide.
يوم دوغا دبتا.
Okay, now let me read for you first, then you have to read in the same exact way, okay?
Okay.
Yoom dhugaa dubbatta jedha. Yoom abbaa kee gargaarta. Yoom haadha kee gargaarta. Yoom bishaan dhugda. Yoom hojii manaa hojjetta. Yoom balbala banta. Yoom kolfita. Yoom seeqta. Yoom dhiqatta.
Yeah.
Okay, now read in the same exact way.
يوم دوغا دبتا. يوم أبا كي غرغرتا. يوم هادا كي غرغرتا. يوم بيشان دوغدا. يوم هجي هجيتا. يوم بلبلا بنتا. يوم كلفتا. يوم سيكتا. يوم تكتا. Okay. When do you speak the truth?
Okay. When do you speak the truth, right?
When do you help your dad?
When do you speak the truth? Okay. When do you help?
When do you speak the truth? When do you help your dad?
Right.
When do you help
Next.
your mom?
Right. When do you help your mom? Next.
When do you drink water?
Right. When do you drink water? Next one.
Yom hoji mana hojeta. When do you work at home?
No. When do you do you?
When do you do your homework at home? When do you do your homework?
Yusuf maal jettee yoom hojii mana hojjetta?
When do you do your homework?
Right. When do you do your homework jechuudha.
Yom balbala banta. When do you open the door?
Right.
When do you laugh?
When do you
Mari
laugh? Okay.
sekta. Mari
Tekta.
sekta.
When do you smile? You
When do
know
you
the difference
smile?
between a
Okay.
smile and laugh.
Yeah.
Akkasi. Aya. Yoom.
Yom tikata. When do you clean?
Yeah. When do you clean? Okay. Sanifarra mata dureen keenya maal ture? Why yoom? You have to know what does it mean by yoom and how to use the term yoom. Okay. Beekuu
Okay.
qabda. Si galee meeqon?
Eh?
Ayyee galatoomii boru mata duree biraa barannaa.
Yeah.